At an event that is going to be branded Far Out that will take place on September 7, Apple is going to present the most recent iteration of its iPhones. The speculation mill has been hard at work for some time now, churning out new rumors regarding new features that will be included in the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Pro. Some of this rumored penchant has been mentioned more than once, while others have been referred to as wildcard facet. Hey friends, we're glad you're back to Tech Insights. In this video, we are going to learn about the new features that are going to be included in the iPhone 14 model. So without further ado, let's begin. At the future presentation, it will be revealed whether or not the business decides to include these functions in the smartphones it manufactures. Apple will also introduce the new Apple Watch Series 8, an improved version of the Apple Watch SE, and most likely a new Apple Watch Pro in addition to the iPhone 14 series. First, we have satellite internet. According to a story that was published by Bloomberg, Apple is working on building satellite connectivity that will enable iPhone users to send text to notify crises in locations that do not have cellular coverage. Earlier, there were rumors circulating that this more advanced feature would be included with the iPhone 13, but this did not turn out to be the case. The Cupertino-based tech company is said to be aiming to disclose satellite connectivity capabilities for the iPhone 14 during the launch event. According to the source, Apple would most likely form a partnership with Globalstar in order to implement the function into the next generation of iPhones. The next feature on the list is the temperature management of the vapor chamber in the iPhone 14 Pro. Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who was covering Apple's early development of the 14-inch and 16-inch MacBook Pros, claimed that high-end iPhones in 2022 might come equipped with a vapor chamber thermal system for heat management. This information was provided while Kuo was discussing Apple's development of the 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pros. Kuo made the observation at that time that Apple was aggressively evaluating the technology for incorporation into iPhones. Some high-end Android phones, such as those manufactured by Samsung and other firms, already come equipped with vapor chamber thermal management, which enables these devices to maintain a comfortable temperature even when subjected to strenuous workloads. According to the source, Apple has been steadily boosting the functionality of its iPhones by equipping each new model with a more potent iteration of its A-series chip. This process has been going on for several years. The base models of the upcoming iPhone 14 series are expected to continue using the A15 Bionic chip that is found in the currently available iPhone 13 series, while the Pro models of the upcoming iPhone 14 series are expected to come powered by the new A16 Bionic chip. Next, we will discuss the increased capacity of the onboard storage that is available in the Pro variants. With the release of the iPhone 13 Pro, Apple began offering an internal storage capacity of 1 terabyte. According to the source, the business is rumored to provide an even larger 2 terabyte storage option to consumers of the iPhone 14 Pro. This will also be the greatest storage capacity available on any iPhone yet. People who take high-quality and professional videos with their iPhones can benefit from the additional storage space. The iPhone's Wi-Fi 6E connectivity comes next. All of Apple's most recent products have support for Wi-Fi 6, whereas Wi-Fi 6E is the most recent standard for Wi-Fi connectivity. The most recent iteration of the Wi-Fi standard provides users with quicker transfer rates as well as improved capabilities to manage high-capacity workloads. Wi-Fi 6E was said to be coming to the iPhone 13, but it looks like we'll have to wait for the iPhone 14 range to see whether it actually arrives. At an upcoming event that is going to be dubbed Far Out, which is going to take place on September 7, Apple is going to introduce the next generation of the iPhone lineup, which will be the iPhone 14 series. At this event, the Cupertino-based tech giant is anticipated to debut a new line of Apple Watches in addition to a number of other goods. A piece of earlier information made a hypothesis that the Pro model of the future iPhone 14 series will most likely include updated displays and cameras. This hypothesis was based on speculation. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo is quoted as saying that the iPhone 14 Pro versions may come equipped with a new ultra-wide angle lens that will have bigger pixels. Kuo was also tweeted his claims via his official Twitter account, where he mentioned that several other companies, including Sony, Minebea, VCM, Largan, and LG Innotek, will be responsible for providing the components for the ultra-wide camera that will be included on the new iPhone 14 Pro. Additional camera enhancements are on the way for the iPhone 14 Pro. A sensor with bigger pixels makes it possible to take photographs with more light and fewer noise, even without resorting to any post-processing methods. It is anticipated that this latest update may enhance the iPhone's photographic capabilities in environments with low levels of available light. As a point of perspective, the current iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max handsets each come equipped with an ultra-wide lens that has 12 megapixels and pixels measuring 1.0 micrometers. According to Quo, the iPhone 14 Pro versions for this year are rumored to have pixels that are 1.4 micrometers in size. According to the findings of the survey, however, the cost of the new components can be as much as 70% higher than that of the existing ones. Additional camera enhancements are on the way for the iPhone 14 Pro. Earlier rumors have indicated that the ultra-wide-angle lens will not be the only improvement made to the camera of the iPhone 14 Pro. This was shown to be the case in the reports. The forthcoming versions will probably come equipped with a brand new wide lens that has a resolution of 48 megapixels and is able to record video in 8K. In the meantime, the front-facing camera is rumored to include a bigger f1.9 aperture sensor with autofocus, which is likely to capture better photographs in situations with low levels of available light. A number of significant updates are coming to Apple's entry-level iPhone 14 devices. However, these improvements will only be available on the Pro variants of the iPhone 14. The standard models of the iPhone 14 series will not only maintain the same design as the iPhone 13, but they will also feature cameras that are comparable to those found on the iPhone 13. The iPhone 14 models with the lowest price points are also likely to have a slightly upgraded version of Apple's A15 Bionic CPU, along with more RAM and an improved graphics processing unit. According to the source, the most significant update to the base models of iPhones that will be released this year will be the addition of a new handset with a 6.7-inch display that will take the place of the iPhone mini. Last, we have no physical SIM slot. Apple may launch iPhone 14 variants without a real SIM slot, instead opting for an eSIM-only design. Apple is purportedly urging major U.S. carriers to prepare for the release of eSIM-only handsets by 2022, implying that some iPhone 14 models may be the first to do so. With the iPhone 13, Apple included some devices without a nano SIM, allowing cellular plans to be activated using eSIM instead. An eSIM enables the addition of cellular plans to a device without the use of a nano SIM. Because eSIM technology is available in all countries, iPhones sold in some regions will continue to include a nano SIM slot. In areas where a SIM-free iPhone is available, it may be optional, with customers still able to select a SIM-equipped model. More than 60 nations support eSIM, according to a list available on Apple's website. Well, that's it for today, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed the video. If so, please click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. If you have any questions or comments, please share them with us in the comment space below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see even more of our incredible videos. You can also check out our other videos that have been specially selected for you. We'll catch up in the next video.